Hello guys, welcome back to my video. This is a part 2 of washing machine motor replacement. Well, if you remember on part 1 video where we tested and found out the washer motor was damaged, and this is the new one that I just bought today. And yeah, let me just hook up the cable and see what's gonna happen after this one. Hooking up the cable, guys, is just so simple. All you need to do is to make sure that you're checking the color cable, where the red, if it's the red color, goes with the red, yellow to the yellow, and blue to the blue one. And yeah, be sure not to forget to put back the cable end cap so that the cables may not be able to contact with each other and cause cable short circuit. Okay, I'm done all the wiring, guys. It's time for us to test and see how this is gonna work. This is perfect. It goes to the right and to the left. Yep. And the spin motor is still right. Now let me check the water pump. There was a strange sound inside the water pump caused by the impeller in the housing before the rebuild, but now it's gone. So if this motor fails, the first thing you need to check is this underneath seal to separate the spin tube and the motor. So if it comes loose or breaks or skins or something, it's going to let water pouring on top of the motor, and sometimes you may not be able to notice, but you have to check it. And this one here, let's check what caused it to fail. So you see this hose pipe I'm holding here, it sits inside, held by that liquid wire by the inside facing up. So if it happens that it fails, it bends down and pours water on top of the water. I mean the motor. That's what happened for this motor to fail, because the pressure will be rising up after you attach a training hose or pipe, and this cap here will be closed, and yeah, too much pressure will be held inside the housing, and if this one might fail, the pipe bends down, and all the pressure comes back on it with water and splashes on top of the motor. That I was like, it doesn't splash from this side, just splash on that side. So yeah.